Employers are always looking for candidates with exceptional problem-solving and decision-making skills. These abilities are crucial for success, and it's essential to understand the mental processes that enhance our efficiency, such as critical, creative, and strategic approaches.
We must understand that there are two different thinking processes, System 1 and System 2. System 1 is this cognitive process that does not require too much mental effort. It could be reading a sentence in your native language, shaking somebody's hand, or maybe even taking your hand away from the hot stuff. Whereas system number 2, you need to be very conscious about it. It could be evaluating current conditions, determining what's the best route to follow to avoid traffic and get earlier to work. And I know that sounds very basic, and you're probably saying, oh, I already knew that. Well, let me tell you about 3 thinking styles that take place whenever we're trying to resolve a problem or make a decision. I'm talking about critical, strategic, and creative. Creative thinking enables us to generate new ideas, solutions, and perspectives. All of that combined creates exciting breakthroughs. In other words, thinking outside of the box. To think outside of the box, we may ask ourselves questions like, can we rearrange this problem to see if we can discover a new solution? What other perspectives can we consider to generate new possibilities? How can we combine existing ideas in a new way to solve this problem? Strategic thinking is about developing and applying new insights to overcome existing barriers, challenges, and obstacles. This style requires breaking down the ideas, analyzing trends, and questioning ourselves what's the reasoning behind those actions and decisions. To think more strategically, we can ask ourselves questions like, what are the long-term implications of this decision? What trends currently affect our situation, and how might they change? What are the potential barriers to our goals, and how can we overcome them? What is the reasoning behind our current actions or decisions? Could there be a more effective approach? How can we break down this problem to understand its components more effectively? Critical thinking involves assessing the quality and relevance of the information in order to determine if it's accurate and credible. You're trying to see if there are any inconsistencies there. Whenever we're using this critical thinking style, we're taking the time to analyze the information in order to take informed decisions. To evaluate the reliability of information, we can ask ourselves questions like, how can we confirm if this is true? Is this source trustworthy? By harnessing these thought processes, we improve our decision-making abilities. We become better at generating creative ideas, and we're also more strategic about our long-term success.
It hits me like a tidal wave every time you say my name. It hits me like a tidal wave. It hits me like a tidal wave.
Losses tend to affect our decisions more than gains do. So it's very, very important that we consider both ends, the positive and the negative, before we even take a decision.